Welcome to Pizazz Studios. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do a fluid art ceramic tile today. I'm going to try out some colors here. I have 6 colors. I will list everything down in the description box for you, as far as what colors I'm using and what brands they are. So this is just a 4 1/4 inch tile. It's a white ceramic tile. It is glazed. You can paint on glazed tiles. Some people do not recommend it, but I've been painting on them for a year and I've never had an issue. These are fun to work on. They're a good size. They're actually good practice pieces too if you're trying out a new technique or you want to test some colors, things like that. They're great for that as well. So you want to just lay down your paint. This is my house paint with my GAC 800 and some water mixed in, and I'm just covering all the edges. Make sure it's all covered. I'm going to give this a little spin, even out my paint. I'm looking forward to these colors. I think it's going to be awesome. We shall see. I'm using a color today that's one of those color flash colors from Folk Art. And it's called Blue Flash. So excuse the motorcycle going by in the background. I do have a window open and it may have just been a noise, I'm not sure, that interfered with me speaking, but if you heard that, my apologies. Okay, so I'm popping a couple air bubbles here, making sure there aren't any more. Looks good. Okay. Make this a short, quick video today. Have any questions or comments? I would love to hear from you. If you could just put them down in the section below or the comment section, I'd love to hear from you and I can reply to any questions you may have, or if you would just like to leave a comment, anything you'd like to see me paint, I'd appreciate that too. Any certain colors you want. So the first color I have here is Liquitex Basics Primary Blue. I'm going to lay that down here first. That's a pretty blue. Now the next one I have is an art pigment from Colour Arte. It's the Primary Elements Mediterranean Blue. Oh my gosh, I just love this color. I love blues, but that's amazing. Very, very shimmery, very pretty. I like that a lot. The next one I have is I'm going to do, let's see, Ultramarine Violet, and this is from Amsterdam. So I'm going with purples and blues today. So this is the Folk Art Color Shift paint. It is amazing. I absolutely love this. It shifts between bluish and purple. It's called Blue Flash. It's really cool. And when it dries, if you'll see the color change, like it's really neat. So I'm just gonna put a sprinkle of this down here. And the next color is Bright Aqua Green. And last but not least, I will put just a dab of 24 karat gold from Deco Art. And I'm going to use a black cell activator today as well. And if you're not familiar with this, this is the bloom technique. It uses its own pouring medium. I have videos that I have made for you to reference. If you'd like to go back and look at videos number 18 and 19, it'll show you how I make my pouring medium for this. And then, well, number 18 will show you that, and then video number 19 will show you how to mix that pouring medium with your paints. And if you're fond of primary elements from Colour Arte, you can see how to mix those as well in that same video number 19, because I do both of them in that video for you. Okay, there's quite a few air bubbles in here for whatever reason. These paints are just fairly newly mixed, and that's probably why. Oh, much better. Okay. Now, black cell activator. I'm going to lay this down right in the center, and then I'm going to blow it out. I'm going to use my mouth to blow it out. So here we go. Beautiful. This is going to be pretty, I can tell already. Cells forming, oh, so nicely. Very pretty. Wow, very cool. I like to zoom in here and give you guys a close-up. Okay, so I was making the video, and as I was just about, well, I was coming over to zoom in, show you a close-up, and there was a message on my phone that popped up saying my battery was low, so I do not know how much actually recorded. So I laid down the paints, and here's what I got after I blew it out. I just want to give you a close-up, and then I'll go over and spin it real quick. I gotta be kind of quick because my phone is about to die. I need to go charge it up. Okay, so it came out very pretty. I sure hope the video came out. I'm gonna give it a spin here. Let me just actually put down a tad bit of paint. I want to just make sure these corners spin off okay. It's a real bummer when you're making a video and your phone decides it needs a charge, but that's okay. Hopefully the video is salvageable and I can upload it for you. Let me give this a spin here. This will just take a minute longer here. We're almost done. This is really pretty, these colors. The cells are pretty because they pick up the aqua and then they go into like, geez, there's purple and some blue. It's very neat. I sure hope this came out okay, the video. I won't know until I play it back. I didn't want to waste any more battery by checking now, so. Hey, if it's uploaded, then hey, we're all good. That was a good spin. I kind of want to stretch it out a little bit more, so I thought I'd spin it a little bit harder that time. Oh, this is pretty. Wow, the cells are really pretty. Wow, love that blue. That primary blue is really pretty. Wipe off the bottom of your tile when you're done, like I always say. If you watch my other videos, you know I do that every time. And this one is complete. So let me come over and zoom in one more time for you. Okay, here we go. And now a police car decides to go by. A lot of background noise today with the windows open. Hey, it's an active spring day around here. I love this weather. It's about 70 degrees today, sunny, absolutely gorgeous. So this is really pretty. I'm really liking these cells. I like the blues and the aqua with the purple. A little bit of gold in there. Not to mention that Mediterranean blue. Some primary elements. Mediterranean blue from Colour Arte. Very pretty. So thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I had enough juice left in my phone to take it down off the holder, and I'm going to give you a close-up here. I took my tile down off my spinner. I just wanted to try to catch some of this in the light because it looks amazing. I really like this. Really pretty. Especially that center part. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so that's that now. I'm off to charge my phone. Enjoy your day. Thank you again. Bye for now. See you soon.